2026 Hyundai Elexio. The future of electric luxury, Hyundai is set to redefine electric mobility with the 2026 Elexio, a cutting-edge luxury sedan that combines advanced technology, sustainable design, and premium comfort. As Hyundai's flagship EV, the Elexio promises to deliver an unparalleled driving experience while pushing the boundaries of innovation. Sleek aerodynamic design. The 2026 Elexio features a futuristic aerodynamic silhouette with clean lines and Hyundai's latest design language. The front grille is replaced by a sleek digital panel, while flush door handles and LED lighting enhance its premium appeal. The spacious interior boasts eco-friendly materials, including recycled fabrics and sustainable leather alternatives, aligning with Hyundai's commitment to sustainability. Next-gen electric performance, powered by Hyundai's advanced E-GMP platform, the Elexio offers exceptional range and performance. With an estimated 400-plus miles of range and ultra-fast 800V charging, it minimizes downtime. Dual-motor all-wheel drive ensures dynamic handling, while AI-driven adaptive suspension delivers a smooth, responsive ride. Cutting-edge technology inside. The Elexio features a panoramic OLED display, augmented reality HUD, and AI-powered voice controls. Over-the-air updates keep the vehicle's software current, while Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities enhance safety and convenience. A new era of luxury. EVs, the 2026 Hyundai Elexio, represents a bold step forward in electric luxury, blending sustainability, innovation, and sophistication. As Hyundai continues to lead the EV revolution, the Elexio is poised to compete with the best in the premium segment. Stay tuned for more details as Hyundai prepares to unveil this groundbreaking electric sedan.